The future of work is automated. Welcome to Aivora.
Forget zero-day auctions. The underground now pays six figures for WordPress bugs. And here's the kicker, I just found one using GPT 5.6. Let me show you how. Exploit brokers like Zerodium and Exodus Intelligence pay top dollar for unpatched flaws. WordPress powers 43% of the web. Every RC is a goldmine. But you need to find them first. GPT 5.6 isn't just a chatbot. It writes exploit code. I fed it the WordPress source code and asked for SQL injection vectors. It returned a functional POC in seconds. That's terrifying. WordPress is old PHP. Decades of legacy. Every minor version introduces new hooks. Attack surface is massive. But finding a true RC requires deep understanding. Or does it? Here's what I found. A deserialization chain in a custom plugin. GPT 5.6 spotted it after I passed it the plugin's code. I ran the POC. Remote shell. Instant. Zerodium pays up to $200,000 for WordPress RCEs. Private brokers pay even more. The exploit I found is worth at least $150,000. But selling it? That's a different story. I contacted a trusted broker. They offered $180,000, under NDA. No public disclosure. They'll weaponize it for governments. I decided not to sell. But the temptation was real. GPT 5.6 code synthesis is scary good. It understands PHP object injection patterns from training data. It didn't just copy, it adapted. That's a new era of vulnerability research. The plugin had 10,000 active installs. No known CVE. I reported it to the developer. They patched within 48 hours. The broker was furious, they wanted zero-day exclusivity. But here's the moral question. Disclosing a bug costs you money. Biden's administration encourages coordinated disclosure. But brokers don't care. They just want the exploit. I tested GPT 5.6 against 10 other WordPress plugins. It found 3 more RC candidates. Each under 5 minutes. Human researchers take days. The speed advantage is insane. Google's Project Zero gives 90 days. Brokers want immediate purchase. There's a gray market of researchers selling to both sides. GPT 5.6 could flood the market with bugs. Prices will drop. WordPress has a security team. They rely on manual auditing. Imagine if attackers deploy GPT 5.6 at scale. Every plugin becomes a target. The playing field just tilted hard. I've seen brokers bid against each other for the same bug. Exclusive access to a WordPress RC is a strategic asset. Governments stockpile them. GPT 5.6 democratizes the supply. The exploit I found uses a PHP unserialized call in a popular caching plugin. GPT 5.6 wrote the payload. I tested it. Full admin access. No authentication needed. Game over. The CVE for this bug is CVE 2025XXXX. It affects WordPress sites running version 6.2 to 6.4. Over 2 million sites. The patch is out now. Update immediately if you haven't. WordPress runs a bug bounty on HackerOne. Top researchers earn $50,000 per year. With GPT 5.6, you could find 5 bugs a week. That's $1 million annually. But is it ethical? If you're into AI-powered hacking, hit subscribe. I'll show you how to use GPT 5.6 for responsible research. Next week, I'm dropping a full walkthrough. Don't miss it. The truth is, AI changes everything. We need new ethics for vulnerability research. Subscribe to join the conversation. Let's shape the future of security together. But here's the real question, what if GPT 5.6 could find a zero-day in Windows kernel? I think it can. And I'm going to test it. Click the next video to see what happens.